Okay everyone, this is task 12-4 which is also dealing with the if function. Okay, so this is task 12-4. So let's take a look at this. This example uses calculations across worksheets. So you can see here you have different worksheets here. So I'll be using calculations from across worksheets to fill up one particular sheet. Okay, as well as requiring the if formula also. So you're using if and also calculating across the worksheets. Open board sales file from activities folder. So the file we need is board sales, which we already opened. And this workbook contains 4 worksheets. So we have sales volume worksheet, shows the sale to 4 customers of 4 different products. So sales volume, this particular business is selling 4 different products. Okay, maybe they're selling boats. Okay, so the 4 product names they're selling are Super Cruise, Windrush, Bay Whizzer and Bay Plotter. And then they're selling these to different customers. Their customers are Acorn Marine, Chichester Marine, Mudway Boat Sales and Stibbings and Cruisers. So these are the products what they are selling, and these are the customers to whom they are selling the products. Pricing shows the price of each product. So each and every product is the priced like so. Super Cruise is 34,000, then Windrush, then Bay Whizzer and then Bay Plotter. And then we have discounting, shows the discount offered to each customer if the target sales were met. So if the target sales are met, like if you see in the sales volume, they sold 7. And if you see in the monthly sales, the target is 3. So if the target is met, then they will get a discount of 4%. If the target is met for the other customer, it is 8%, then 15% and 3%. But targets for each and every customer is also different. So this is all the information about the sheet. Let's do what we need to do. On the monthly sales sheet, in cells C4 to F7, sorry, I can't see that, you can't see that clearly, but in the monthly sales from C4 to up to F7, that is up to here. From C4 to F7, we have to fill up some information. Calculate the sales revenue from each product by customer. Note that a combination of relative and mixed referencing will be required. So from C4 to F7 we need to calculate the sales. So C4 is Acorn Marine. So we need to see how many products we sold, and you need to multiply it with the selling price of each and every product. Okay, so equal to how many products are sold is under here. So sales volume C6, put the mathematical operation multiplied by the price in pricing sheet A2. Press enter and you can see that it has calculated 34,000. Okay, sales volume C6, which is the number of items sold, multiplied by the price. Now out of these two cells, the price is going to remain constant because price is only 1, 34,000, but the sales volume to each and every customer is changing. Okay, so you can leave the sales volume C6 as it is because you want to change it to C7, C8 and so on, but the pricing A2 you don't want to change because it is only in one cell. So put $signs on this A2 and leave C4 as C6 as it is and press enter. Now copy paste this formula up to C7. Now you can see it is not calculating anything. It is still copy pasting the same value. If you see in this cell, it did change to C7. And in C7 you sold 3 products, so your calculation should change, but it is not changing. Sometimes the formulas in Excel are set for manual. Manual means only when you go to each and every cell and press enter, then only the answer will change. Like if you go here, go to the formula and press enter, now you can see that value has changed. Okay, so sometimes in Excel the formulas are set to manual. So if you see any time your formulas are not working as they should be, highlight those data, go to formulas, calculation options, and change it from manual to automatic. So that way, as soon as you copy paste the formulas, the calculations will be done automatically without you having to go to each and every cell. So click on automatic, and now you can see the values have been calculated correctly. Do the same for the Windrush also again. So sales volume for Windrush is in D6 multiplied by the price of Windrush is in B2. Put B2 under absolute referencing because price is not changing, and copy paste it until D7. Okay, so like this continue doing for the other two also. Bayvisa sales volume 3 multiplied by the price C2. Put C2 in absolute referencing because the price is not changing. Copy paste. It is 78,000 for all of this because you only sold one item of this for all of them. Next one, Bay Plodder sales volume multiplied by the selling price. Put the selling price in absolute referencing because it is a constant value, not changing. Copy paste the formula. So we finished our calculations from C4 to up to F7. This one is 0 here because you did not sell any product of Bay Plodder to Chichester Marine Company. Okay, it is 0, so that's why in the calculation also you have got 0. Let's see what do we need to do. Calculate the totals by product and by customer in cells G4 to G7 and C9 to G9. So they want the total sales for each and every customer from G4 to G7, and they also want total sales for each and every product from C9 to up to F9. So let's do that. Select everything and press your sum sign from the formulas or sum sign from the home. Both of them will do the same thing. And it is given you the total. Copy paste this total up to Bay Plodder. Same here, total customer sales now. Highlight everything up to the cell where you want to display the sum and press sum. And then copy paste up to the end. Do a total sale here also. So in total this business has made sales of 2,330,000. In cell H4 to H7, we need to calculate the value of the discount. A discount is given if the actual sales from the sales volume sheet are greater than or equal to the target for each customer in B4 to B7. The discount offered will be the total sales figure multiplied by the discount on the discounting sheet. So first of all, we need to calculate now the discount. To calculate the discount, we need to check if the target has been met or not. So first discount and then discounted sales. Target is given here and the sales volume is given here. So if the sales volume is greater than or equal to the target, you are calculating the discount. If it is less, then no discount. So you want to display a 0. Okay. So let's see the formula. Equal to formulas, logical, if. So box is opened. Start your condition. Target in the sales volume sheet should be greater than or equal to the target in the monthly sales. If the condition is true, you want to calculate the discount. So how do we calculate the discount? Discount is the sales multiplied by the discounting percentage for this customer, Econ Marine, which is 4%. But if the condition is not met, then there is no discount, so the value you want to display should be 0. If you want, you can put this 0 in double quotes. So that means definitely 0 should be displayed to say that there is no value. So look at the formula again. If sales volume G6, that is if the volume of the amount of sales is greater than or equal to the target, that is your condition, you are calculating the discount. So discount is G4 multiplied by discounting sheet. You need to go to and click on the discount percentage for this particular customer. Now this discounting percentage is not changing. It is remaining constant. Put that in absolute referencing. But everything else you want from G6 to G7, G8, G9 you can change. And monthly sales also from B4 to B5 to B6 to B7 you need to change when you copy paste. But the discount percentage, oops, sorry, before I do that, let me check if the discount percentage is changing or not. 1 minute. Oh, sorry, discount percentage is also changing. So do not put any absolute referencing over here. Each and every customer has their own discount percentage. It's not same. So everything is changing. So remove absolute referencing and say OK. So you can see the first person, his sales volume was 7, but his target was only 3. So he sold more than the target. So you gave him a discount. Calculate for the other people also. Second person, target is 4, but you sold 5. So you sold more than 4. So you gave a discount. Third customer, target is 2, and you sold 10. More than target, so you gave a discount. Fourth customer, target is 5, but you only sold 4. So because of that, no discount has been calculated. Now you need to calculate the discounted sales. That is how much will be the sales after the discount. And as you know, discount is subtracted. So total sales minus the discount. Copy everything and you can see this value is equal, but all the other values, this was 651,000, it became 624, 325,000 became 299. So you deducted the discount and calculated the discount given. Calculate the discounted sales, which we have just done. Copy the totals across the row 9. So they want you to copy these totals up to all the total columns. So all the totals are now calculated. In J4 to J7, you need a formula to say yes if the discount has been given and no if it has not. So in this particular column J4 to J7, you want to say yes if a discount was given and no if a discount is not given. There are two ways of doing this. If the total sales value is higher than the discounted sales, that means definitely you gave a discount because discounted sales is lower. So you can say yes. One more easier way to do is, if the discount value is greater than 0, that means you gave a discount. Otherwise, no discount. So I'll try to use this formula. You can use the other one if you want. Equal to logical if cell H4 is greater than 0. If it is greater than 0 means there is some value in there. If there is value in there means that means you gave a discount. So if that is greater than 0, you said yes, discount given. They only said yes or no, but I am just typing more detail. Otherwise you want to say no discount given. Okay, that is what you want to type. Say OK. and check the others. But if you see the last one is still saying yes, discount given, because maybe it is not recognizing the 0. So let's go here, change the formula a little bit, remove this double quotes for 0. And now it is telling no discount given, because previously maybe it was not recognizing that 0. But by changing it here, now it is showing a dash instead of showing a 0. So what you can do is you can right click this format cells and change it to number, and then it will show 0, and here also the answer still did not change. So just don't put any double hyphens from that 0, just leave it as it is. And that is your task 12-4 completed. Okay, thank you.